Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another freaking video. Today we are going to be doing our monthly progress video. Today is July 28th, and yeah, honestly, the last session I did was actually pretty good. I got a sub-20 average of 12, but the thing is, I've just been really inconsistent with these times. So for example, last session I did on July 26th, sub-20 average of 12. July 25th, I literally got a 24-second average of 12, which is terrible. And as you guys can see, these times are all actually pretty freaking like inconsistent. I mean, I've been practicing consistently. As you guys can see, I did multiple sessions in the month of July. But yeah, just see, I did good here on 26th, but the day before I was like 24 seconds. So yeah. Without further ado, let's just get started, man. I think I really just need to work on slow solves a little bit more. But yeah, it's just basically my F2L that is very inconsistent. So yeah, let's get started. Let's start a new session here. Okay, let's get started. Left, okay. All right, let's see. All right, this is, I mean, a decent cross case. That's what I'm talking about, bruh. That's what I'm freaking talking about. Wait, let me type this time. Oh my gosh, what the heck? All right, let's enter times with typing. Okay, I got a 16.62. Freaking amazing. Let's go. Let's start strong. Hopefully we can end strong as well. Maybe it's just in like high pressure scenarios that I actually perform well. Like in this case, I'm actually doing pretty good. All right. Not bad, not bad. I just want to make sure I'm in frame. I'm really afraid, like, okay, yeah, I think I'm pretty much in frame. Maybe move this a little bit more. But yeah, cool. Actually, I can just move my camera like this, bro. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? There we go, that's better. All right. Small mess up on the F2L there and a pretty choppy PLL there, but I mean it's 22.6. I mean, not the end of the world, but yeah, we can definitely do better. Right, not a bad cross case here. Really smooth solve overall, not bad. 18-0. Let's freaking go. Another pretty good solve. Whew. Got this, guys. Just gotta keep up the good work, and we're well on our way to a sub-20 average of 12. Oh, shoot, wow. This barely happens to me, but I think this counts. I think it's definitely at like exactly the 45 degree. But yeah, it counts, bro. It counts. 16.79, not bad. Wow, can't believe that actually happened. Like, that really rarely happens. Like, okay. Wow. That's crazy. All right. I'm sorry, bro. I'm just kind of paranoid. I am not in frame for some. Okay. Yeah, sometimes I get paranoid that it's not recording or something like that. But yeah, everything looks good. So let's just keep on going. All right. Not bad. I almost did the wrong PLL algorithm there, but yeah, we finished well. 5 more solves to go. All right. Almost did the wrong PLL algorithm there, but hey, we finished well, I guess. 19.31, not bad. All right. All right. Not a bad PL cross case here. Really bad F-tool there and a really bad PLL there, but hey, 21.21, I'll take it. It's not too bad, it's just like a decent time, I guess. All right, 3 more solves. I think we're looking pretty good. I mean, yeah, looking at the times so far, I think we are on track to get a sub-20 average of 12. Yeah, today we had a pretty good session. I think just doing slow solves, just doing more practice with slow solve definitely helps. Wow, we have been getting just very consistent sub-20 solves today. Wow, I'm actually super surprised. Like, this does not happen regularly. Wow. Two more solves. Gotta finish strong, finish strong. All right. What? Wow, I thought I did really bad that solve, but wow, 19.45, that's actually still pretty good for me. Wow, my best possible average of 12 is 18.81 seconds. Wow, that's crazy. What if I actually get like 18 average of 12? Wow, that would be absolutely crazy. I have not had one of those in like a very long time. I have not had a sub-19 average of 12 in such a long time, bro. I can't even remember the last time I did this good. As you guys can see there, I kind of messed up there, but yeah, I'm trying my best to just finish up the solve. But even with this terrible time here, I think we still get a sub-20 average of 12, not gonna lie, because, you know, the worst times usually get like discarded from the average. So 14.66, let's go. Average of 12 of 19.401, which is not bad. I would have been super happy if I got like a sub 19 average of 12, but yeah, here's the times, guys, and yeah, not too bad, not too bad. Pretty happy, not gonna lie. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.